Well, I am currently seeing double in the garage. I've got two of the same snowblowers. This one I purchased about 3 years or so ago, and then this one Toro sent me for the video that you just saw not too long ago. So both the same model snowblower, and I've decided that I'm going to give this one to my dad. He needs a snowblower, he doesn't have one, and I think this would be a great one for him to have around for those times, you know, when you need a snowblower. It's good to have one, and if you don't have one, you kind of wish you did. In fact, I'm going to surprise him. He has no idea, and it should be a lot of fun to do that. I've always wanted to do something like that for him, and today's the day. So before I do that, I do want to just go over a slight difference that I've noticed. 3 years apart, same model. What would Toro change? Let me show you. So in the short time I've had the new one here, I have spent enough time, you know, obviously assembling it and looking it over, comparing it to the one that I've had for several years. I've only noticed a change in one aspect of this machine. Everything else is the same. So let me show you what that is and go over it in a little bit of details. Now, the only difference in either of these machines that I've noticed has come down to the quick stick system. And it's this joystick here right in front of the handle that allows you to adjust the position of the chute and the pitch of where it throws the snow right from the handle. You don't have to stop, you don't have to come around the front side to do it. It's all right here, super convenient. But what's the difference? The difference is the size of the handle and the housing for the handle. On the old one, the housing is totally enclosed all the way around, and the handle is a little bit smaller. It fits in the palm of your hand really nice, still has the grip on top, which is just to lock and unlock to give you motion. But smaller handle on the older model, 3-year-old model, and fully enclosed housing. On the newer one, the handle's gotten a little bit bigger, and which allows for easier grip, and of course same locking trigger here. Different grip pattern on the face, and then the housing has a notch cut out of the bottom, and that gives you a little bit more range of motion, it seems, and a little bit more versatility and leeway with being able to move the chute. So I'm not quite sure which one I like better yet. Time will tell. I am going to keep the one that Toro sent me this year so that I can try this out a little bit more and get used to it. Obviously the functionality is the same, it's just the way it feels, the size and everything. So I didn't have any problem with that one. I thought it worked fine. We'll see in time how this one goes. So now I'll go ahead and load this onto the truck, take it around the corner and down the street to my parents' house, and surprise my dad, give him a little early Christmas present. Want to make sure he has this before the snow comes and not after the fact, you know, so he can use it. So here we go. Hey, can you come out front and help me with something? Okay, bye. Need a snowblower?
Huh?
You need a snowblower?
Yeah, I'll take a snowblower. Where'd you get that?
From Toro.
Another one?
Well, this is the one I bought, but they sent me one. And so now I'm gonna try out the one that they sent me. So now you get an early Christmas present.
I'll take it.
Surprise!
Yeah, all right. All right.
I figured I'd give it to you now, so in case it snows, you can use it
Okay.
before Christmas.
Cool. You're gonna have to show me how to use it.
That's pretty easy. Well,
Cool.
let's get it off the truck and
Is it heavy?
into your garage. A little bit. That's why I got these.
Nice.
Yeah, let's unload it and I'll show you how to use it. Well, he's so excited he threw on a Toro hat. Look at that. What do you think?
Thank you. Now I won't have to rely on the neighbors.
Now you're a little more independent.
Yeah, now I can get rid of this.
Yeah, you don't need those anymore. Forget that. This'll be a lot easier.
No, that's cool. Thank you very much.
Now you're gonna want to return the favor to the neighbors.
Right.
Yeah.
I will. I'll help them as much as they've helped me.
Awesome.
That's cool. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Thanks to Toro for
Yeah.
sending me a new one so that I could
Right.
do this for you.
Thanks, Toro.
So I'm going to show them how this works, how to start it, and all that good stuff. Yeah, that was fun. I enjoyed doing that.
Yeah,
It was fun putting that
appreciate it.
together.
You surprised me.
Yeah, good. That was the idea.
Awesome.
So we'll go ahead and do that, and make sure you're subscribed to the channel if you're not already, and look forward to more videos with snowblowers through the winter season. Lots to come. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.